Good morning. Today we are happy to introduce our plan for a beach escape. About the destination, it will be Halong Bay, and you will go there for you will be there for 2 weeks. And about the transportation, there will be a limousine car to take you from the airport to a five-star hotel. It the five-star hotel will be your accommodation too. And about the activity during the holiday, you can swimming, taking photo, sunbathing, and you can go to the park too. There are a lot of park in Halong Bay. For example, like Dragon Park, Water Park, or Sunworld Wells. And about the you can visiting the museum too. And about the thing to bring, you should bring money, hat, an umbrella, camera to take photo, and swimming suit, sunscreen, and swimming goggles. I think that all. Thank you for listening.